Good afternoon, madam. Madam. Yes, ma'am.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon, madam. We are coming.
Good afternoon, Mr. Krishnan.
Yes.
Good evening, madam.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, from Pondicherry.
Hassan, I think you can remove your mask.
Yes.
Mask.
Yes. Madam, we are just admitting the participants now. Probably we might be taking up by about 3 or 3:05. Latest by 3:05 we will start.
Yeah.
Please wait in the line.
No problem.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Mr. Ramalingam Ade.
Yes, madam.
வணக்கம் சார், நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா?
நல்லா இருக்கு மேடம், நல்லா இருக்கு. இல்ல மாஸ்க் வேணாம்.
முதல்ல கிருஷ்ணன் சார் இதுல வந்தது. இப்பதான் அது
பேசும்போது
ఇలా రోగం పెట్టి కూర్చుని బతుకుతుంది. ఎలా ఉన్నా మంచం మీదే ఉంటది. నేను ఏమన్నా నా బండి నేర్చుకు తగలడమని చెప్పాను కదా డ్యూటీకి. ఇంట్లో కూర్చొని సాగమని అంటలేదు, నేను ఇలా నన్ను వేధించి తినమని అనలేదు.
Good afternoon, Tamizharisi madam. Welcome. Tamizharisi madam, video start பண்ணீங்க. Good afternoon, sir. Everything is okay, sir. We will start by about 3 or 3:05 latest. For 5 minutes, we are just admitting the participants. நான் அவரோட வரல. Hello, good afternoon, sir. Sridhar sir, please welcome. Can you talk to us, sir, for a few minutes? Just tell us hello.
Hello.
Thank you very much.
Hello. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's why I'm just. Kindly wait, sir, because we'll be starting up by about 3:05 because admitting participants now.
Voice அவ்வளவுதானே.
Yes.
Voice அவ்வளவுதான் கேட்கணும். அவ்வளவுதான்.
Good afternoon, Tamizharisi madam.
Yes, sir.
மேடம் ஏன் உங்க வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணல நீங்க?
வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணாங்களா?
மேடம் கடலூர் சைடுல எப்படி இருக்கு அந்த பக்கம்லாம்?
பரவாயில்ல சார், இருக்கு. கொஞ்ச நாளைக்கு முன்னாடி குவாரண்டைன் ஆயிருந்தது சார்.
அப்படியா?
பரவாயில்ல.
ஓகே. அதுக்காக கேட்டேன். வெரி குட் மேடம். கொஞ்சம் வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணிக்க முடியுமா? வீடியோ இது பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா? போட்டுங்க. சோ தட்
ஆன் பண்றேன் சார்.
ஓகே மேம். கொஞ்சம் 3:05க்கு ஆரம்பிச்சிடுறேன் நான். ஓகேங்களா?
தேங்க் யூ சார். எஸ் சார்.
Good afternoon, Dr. Purushothaman sir. Welcome, welcome. Good afternoon, Dr. Purushothaman sir. Video on maninga.
How are you, Mr. Krishnan? Nandita here. I can't hear you. You have to unmute.
Hello.
Unmute.
Sir, Dr. Krishnan sir, we are unable to get your audio, sir. Unmute the audio, sir. Yeah, we are unable to hear you. You can just unmute the audio so that your voice will come out. Good afternoon, Mr. Sundarajan. Welcome. Good afternoon, Mr. Sundarajan. Good afternoon. Can you switch on your video and audio?
According to Mindlore.com, how to enable Zoom, launch the Settings app from your home screen. Tap on General. Tap on Accessibility. Tap Zoom under the Vision section. Tap the switch to turn on Zoom.
எல்லாத்துக்கும் என்ன தெரியுது, உனக்கு மட்டும் என்ன தெரியுது? கை தெரியுது.
Somebody log in as Redmi. Please mute your audio.
Yes, Tamrasi madam, welcome, welcome. Yeah,
Yes,
welcome.
sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, we will start up now.
Yes, sir.
We will start up now. Madam, shall we start, madam?
Krishnan, you have to unmute. We can't hear you.
Madam,
I think you can start, Vasan.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Hello?
Yeah, we can see it, sir.
Yeah.
Vasan sir, we can able to see your presentation. Please proceed, sir.
Sir, are you able to see the presentation? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Vardha, thank you, sir. We welcome you on behalf of the CPR Environmental Education Center for the online environmental education program. Environment consists of many things, one of which forest is the topic we are going to take up today. And probably this is a series, so we will be having it at 3 o'clock on Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays in a week. So please join us, and we will send you the link and the ID and the password so that you can join us every Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays. Thank you, sir. Please, if possible, mute your this thing so that you can see this. Mute your audio and we can see the whole program, sir. Please, thank you. Let us start, sir. Forest consists predominantly of trees and other woody vegetation with a closed canopy. Naturally grown forests are ecologically complex systems consisting of various forms of plants, animals, fungi, algae, and microbes. Forests in India. As of 2019, India is the 7th largest country in the world, covering a total area of 712,249 square kilometers, 7,12,249 square kilometers, which is 21.67% of the total geographical area. Indian forests are classified into 16 types. About 13.79% of the country's forests are tropical semi-evergreen, 19.73% tropical moist deciduous, 41.83% tropical dry deciduous, 2.25% tropical thorn, 2.63% subtropical pine, and 4.12% Himalayan moist temperate category in the total forest cover of India. This is as per the Forest Survey of India 2011. As per 2017, very dense forest, 2.99% of the geographical area. Moderately dense forest is 9.38% of geographical area. Open forest is 9.18% of the area. Scrub is 1.40% and non-forest is 77.06%. Potential wealth of forest. The potential of Indian forest is enormous, and it is estimated that it can neutralize around 11.25% of India's total greenhouse gas emissions. It takes nearly 600 years to create 1 inch of topsoil. Absence of green cover in the soil surface will allow wind and water to carry away precious topsoil. Forests, watersheds for rivers and streams. Forests absorb rainwater like a sponge and slowly release this water into streams. In the absence of forests, rainwater is wasted as runoff and flows into the sea. As a result, no groundwater is retained by the soil. Deforestation. Around 130 lakh hectares of the world's forest is lost every year. Ecological values of trees. Trees are important, valuable, and necessary to our very existence. Trees produce oxygen. A mature leafy produces as much oxygen in a season as 10 people inhale in a year. What many people do not realize is that the forest also acts as a giant filter that cleans the air we breathe. Trees clean the soil also. The term phytoremediation involves the absorption of dangerous chemicals and other pollutants that have entered the soil. Trees can either store harmful pollutants or actually change the pollutant into less harmful forms. Trees also control noise pollution. Trees muffle urban noise almost as effectively as stone walls. Trees planted at strategic points in a neighborhood or around your house can abate major noises from freeways and airports. Trees slow stormwater runoff. Flash flooding can be dramatically reduced by a forest or by planting trees. Trees are carbon sinks. To produce its food, a tree absorbs and locks away carbon dioxide in the wood, roots, and leaves. Trees clean the air. Trees help cleanse the air by intercepting airborne particles, reducing heat and absorbing pollutants such as carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide. Trees act as wind breaks and fight soil erosion. Erosion control has always started with the tree and grass planting projects. Tree roots bind the soil and their leaves break the force of wind and rain on the soil. Trees fight soil erosion, conserve rainwater, and reduce water runoff and sediment deposition after storms. This is a table which we have taken as forest facts. There is forest cover in different forest type groups. You can see group 1. We discussed that about 16 type of forests are there, and we have grouped it as group 1 tropical wet evergreen forest, and group 2 tropical semi evergreen forest, and group 3 tropical moist deciduous forest, group 4 littoral and swamp forest, group 5 tropical dry deciduous forest, group 6 tropical thorn forest, group 7 tropical dry evergreen forest, group 8 subtropical broad-leaved hill forest, group 9 subtropical pine forest, group 10 subtropical dry evergreen forest, group 11 is montane wet temperate forest, group 12 is Himalayan moist temperate forest, group 13 is Himalayan dry temperate forest, group 14, 15 and 16 will be subalpine and alpine forest. Plantation for TOA 5.07. There are listed out some solutions for deforestation. Save paper, save trees. Do not waste paper. Paper means trees. Recycle all possible paper material. Use recycled paper materials wherever and whenever possible. Try to become paperless and use technology at the office and at home. Refer to electronic documents. Print only essential matter. And before you hit the print button, always write and print on both sides of the paper. Save single-sided waste paper for scribbling notes. See, we have requested you to unmute the sound audio. Please unmute your audio, sir. Because there are some disturbances coming. Please unmute your audio because we are getting some disturbances. Please, sir. We are now seeing the solutions for deforestation. We can plant trees wherever possible, on roadsides, around schools and homes, on damaged land, and in various ecosystems. Encourage locally produced goods. Consume locally in order to reduce pressure on the forest in other biodiversity-rich countries. Use locally grown and certified wood to decrease the trade of exotic wood from forest. In continuation to the solutions for the deforestation, prefer organic food. Prefer organically and locally grown food. Vegetarianism. Try to be a vegetarian. Encourage pesticide-free food materials. Hello. Sir, still we are getting audio disturbances, sir. We are unable to see who.
Mute. Please mute all your
Mute all
mics.
The disturbance is much. Please.
Hello.
Yeah, please mute, sir. Please mute your audio because we are having a lot of disturbance. The other participants are not able to concentrate on it. Please mute your audio.
Continue, Vasan.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, madam. Thank you. We are seeing the solutions for deforestation. Further, promote sustainable commerce and trade. Support companies that operate in ways that minimize damage to forests. Do not promote rare metals and precious stones. They might be the cause of deforestation and mining in densely forested areas. Energy efficiency. Use fuel efficient appliances to decrease the use of wood-based fuel such as burning wood and charcoal. Furniture. Use furniture made out of cane instead of wood. Do not use virgin furniture made virgin wood. Select used furniture. Further, create your own green space. Plant trees and put indoor plants in your home. They clean the air, provide oxygen, and beautify your surroundings. Care for them by protecting them. If you protect the trees in and around the forest, you protect yourself and your family too. When you are on a field trip, try not to damage the local ecosystem. Center has come out with a poster on forests. On the right side, you will be seeing some of the threats which have been made by dam, monoculture, industrial pollution, deforestation, wildlife trade, soil erosion, forest fires, loss of species, and also finally the climate change. Due to this, the forests are under threat. So at the bottom, if you see in the poster, the center has suggested some solutions also for it. Greening movement, afforestation and tree planting, protection of wildlife, soil and water conservation, seed banks, enforcement of environmental laws, awareness raising, and action. Hope the poster will be interesting. So, now, in the solutions column, we were speaking to you about afforestation and tree planting. So, we would like to bring, the center has developed a song on environment on afforestation and tree planting. It is in Tamil. I am going to sing it for you so that shall I start? Tarisa irundalum adai nee summa podade darisendralum tangammagum adai nee maravade tarisa irundalum adai nee summa podade darisendralum tangammagum adai nee maravade manavariyanaலும் மழையும் தவறி போனாலும் மானாவாரியானாலும் மழையும் தவறி போனாலும் தானாய் வளரும் புது புது ரகங்கள் தகுந்த முறையுடன் வந்திருக்கு. தானாய் வளரும் புது புது ரகங்கள் தகுந்த முறையுடன் வந்திருக்கு. தரிசா இருந்தாலும் அதை நீ சும்மா போடாதே. தரிசென்றாலும் தங்கம் ஆகும் அதை நீ மறவாதே. மாட்டு தீவனம் தருபவைகள் மனிதர்க்கு பழங்களை கொடுப்பவைகள். மாட்டு தீவனம் தருபவைகள் மனிதர்க்கு பழங்களை கொடுப்பவைகள். வீட்டுக்கும் விறகுக்கும் பலகைக்கும் உதவும் விதவிதமான பல வகைகள். மாட்டுக்கு தீவனம் தருபவைகள் மனிதர்க்கு பழங்களை கொடுப்பவைகள். வீட்டுக்கும் விறகுக்கும் பலகைக்கும் உதவும் விதவிதமான பல வகைகள். தரிசா இருந்தாலும் அதை நீ சும்மா போடாதே. தரிசென்றாலும் தங்கம் ஆகும் அதை நீ மறவாதே. கொன்னை மூங்கில் சவுக்கு பலா வேலி மசாலா கருவேலம் புங்கம் முந்திரி புளியம் வேம்பு இலந்தை நாவல் போன்றவைகள். கொன்னை மூங்கில் சவுக்கு பலா வேலி மசாலா கருவேலம் புங்கம் முந்திரி புளியம் வேம்பு இலந்தை நாவல் போன்றவைகள். தரிசா இருந்தாலும் அதை நீ சும்மா போடாதே. தரிசென்றாலும் தங்கம் ஆகும் அதை நீ மறவாதே. சிரமம் அதிகம் இருக்காது செலவும் அதிகம் பிடிக்காது. திரகம் அதிகம் இருக்காது செலவும் அதிகம் பிடிக்காது. கருத்துடன் அதனை கருதிடும் போது கை மேலே பலன் தவறாது. சிரமம் அதிகம் இருக்காது செலவும் அதிகம் பிடிக்காது. கருத்துடன் அதனை கருதிடும் போது கை மேலே பலன் தவறாது. தரிசா இருந்தாலும் அதை நீ சும்மா போடாதே. தரிசென்றாலும் தங்கம் ஆகும் அதை நீ மறவாதே. தானே தன்னே தன்னானே தானே தன்னானே தானே 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 தன்னானே. தரிசா இருந்தாலும் அதை நீ சும்மா போடாதே. தரிசென்றாலும் தங்கம் ஆகும் அதை நீ மறவாதே. தானே தன்னானே தன்னானே தானே தன்னானே தானே 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 தன்னானே ஹோய் தானே தன்னானே ஹோய் தானே தன்னானே. We have brought in this. People who can write, they can take down. I will be keeping it for a few seconds so that you can take it up. You can write. I think, hope you all enjoyed this. This program will be repeated maybe in YouTube, probably YouTube you can see this program. And also, please share this information to your family and friends who missed it today. Write your suggestions and feedback to our official email ID cpreec@gmail.com. To join the next meeting, link will be shared with you shortly to your email ID and WhatsApp. Thank you very much for having participated in this program. Thank you all. I'm just leaving for a few minutes. You can come back to us. Hello. Hello. You can unmute and talk to us. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Welcome, sir. There are few minutes available. Tamilarsi madam, how do you feel? You can come.
Wonderful song, sir. I enjoyed the song. Thank you so much. That's great.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, man. Our center has developed different songs. Yeah. Please come.
Sir, really, I think you have written it, sir. I like the song very much. I like the lyrics also very much.
Oh. We will be coming out with the different topics and different songs also. Please join us on every week.
Yeah, sure, sir. I think we can tell the song or we can teach the song to students also, so that they'll know the importance of forest.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Director, ma'am.
Those who would like the words of the song, please write to cprec@gmail.com and you can send the words to them. I think that's a good idea.
Subha madam, please tell me, madam.
It was very nice.
Yeah, how did you like the program, madam? Yes, madam. Madam.
Program is very,
How are you, madam?
Fine, sir. Fine, sir. Thank you
Yeah,
very
tell me.
much. First, I thank the director and
Yes.
yourself for taking this initiative, sir.
Yes.
It is very, very helpful. Especially as Tamilarasi madam told, this can be promoted even for school students.
Yes.
Especially the song was too good. And it is every
Let's
word
do a clap.
Thank you very much, madam. Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir. We would like to hear much from you, sir.
Okay.
The coming-
Every week, please come, madam. Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, please come at 3 o'clock. We will be giving you different songs also. And the lyrics also I will produce, madam. You can write.
Definitely, sir. Thank you,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
And please do suggest how we can protect the wildlife, especially nowadays the elephants are just dying.
Yes, yes.
What can be done on a larger level, sir?
You write to us through email, madam. We will reply that also, madam. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yes, good afternoon, sir. Sir, Ramalingam, sir. Solunga.
Sir, nice program, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir.
After a very long time, I heard your voice.
Ama, sir. Pondicherry program, we are meeting now through online.
நல்லா
Because the situation.
வந்திருக்கிறாரு.
Nice to see the faces and voices. Hear the voices of a lot of old friends.
Yes.
Yes.
அதோட கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் பெரிய
Thank you,
கொடுப்பாங்க. இந்த கருது வெட்டுறதுக்கு அது வந்து போட மாட்டாங்க.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Marimuthu, sir. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Marimuthu, sir. Unmute பண்ணிட்டு வந்துருங்க லைன்ல.
நீ சொல்லண்டா.
ஆமா ஆமா.
That's Sudhakar.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Pondicherry.
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது சார்.
நீங்க
சிறப்பா
நம்ம
இருந்தது.
ப்ரோகிராமுக்கு வந்திருந்தீங்களே பாண்டிச்சேரியில.
ஆமா சார்.
Still remember your face. ரொம்ப நாள் கழிச்சு உங்களை பாக்குறேன். நீங்க பாடுவீங்க. I know you also sing.
Yes, sir. Two days it is very happy missing my students, sir.
Monday, Wednesday and Friday, sir. 3 o'clock வாங்க. நான் ஒரு different songs இது பண்றோம். Definitely, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Different topics, different songs. கட்டாயம் Monday வாங்க.
அது மாட்டாதான் போய் மாட்டேன்னு பாதுகா பத்திரம்
Sir. Good afternoon, sir. Dr. Sudhakar, sir.
சொல்லுங்க ஐயா வாசன் வணக்கம்.
How was the program, sir?
சாரி நான் வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வரும்போது ஐ couldn't enter in. லேட்டரா மேடம் மறுபடியும் ஃபோன் பண்ணாங்க. பண்ணோன்னு தான் I entered. அப்புறமா தான் வேகண்ட் நீங்க பாட்டு போடும்போது I had some problem in connecting. I don't know what is happening. And somebody has to allow in to join also. கொஞ்சம் first I couldn't get in. Now I got it. We hope we'll see in Monday and I think I'll also join and do some.
Romba thanks, sir. Romba thanks, sir. I'm very nice of you, sir.
Well done, Vasan.
Thank you.
Well done. Why were you worried? It's gone off very well.
Thank you very much, madam. Thank you all. Thank you all.
Thank you.
3:31. So we'll have to leave the meeting.
Hello, Prashant. I see you with your visor.
Good afternoon, Mr. Prashant. Please come. Please unmute your video, sir. Unmute your audio, sir.
The video.
Video
In any case,
madam.
thank you.
Unmute
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you all. We hope to see you all again by Monday 3 o'clock afternoon. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Director ma'am. Thank you, sir.
link பாட்டு லிங்க்ல உங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணி
வணக்கம் தமிழரசிமா.
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
பாட்டு லிங்க் அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் ஷேர் பண்ணி நீங்க ரெக்கார்டிங்ஸ் அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் ஷேர்
வந்து அப்படியே YouTubeல நாளைக்கு அப்லோட் பண்றாப்ல இருக்கும் சார். நீங்க YouTubeல நாளைக்கு பார்க்கலாம் சார்.
உங்க ரெஃபரன்ஸ் பாட்டு நீங்க டாப் பண்ணுங்க.
அனுப்புறேன் சார். I will send it.
Okay sir.
Through Dr. Ramalingam sir. Through Dr. Ramalingam sir, I will send it to you. ராமலிங்கம் சார் அவரோட வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பர் எனக்கு அனுப்புங்க. அவருக்கு இந்த யூடியூப் உங்களுக்கும் யூடியூப் சேனல் இது பண்றேன் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you sir. Thank you sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. With my director's permission, I am ending the meeting. Thank you all. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Good afternoon, ma'am.